Hello everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Website in WordPress series by Synchronized Consulting. Today's video is about getting started. This is the first video in our series showing small businesses how to build their website in WordPress. And today we're going to discuss a few things. We're just going to go over a general WordPress overview. We're going to talk about blog posts, pages, plugins, and templates. Now, when you first open your WordPress site, this is the screen you are going to see. You will see it's got, a welcome, some of your next steps, and this and that. Now, this is a brand new installation, so you can see that WordPress so politely puts in under the activity that there has been a post published. Now, let's go and look over some of the various aspects of WordPress and how they're going to help you. Let's talk blog posts. Now, WordPress was originally designed to handle blogs, weblog, and where you're documenting things online. Now, you'll notice when we go to the Posts tab here on the left, you have, all posts, add new categories, and tags. We're not going to touch on tags. Categories, you'll see, this one is uncategorized, and we can add various categories. We also have our posts. So just kind of an overview. We're not going to get into too much of these, but categories are ways to break posts up into different, categories. So for example, on some of the blogs that Synchronized Consulting has, we have one for automation, we have one for website design, etc. Those are two different categories, but they're still in the blog. Next, let's talk about pages. Pages are the pages that you actually go to, right? So they're the ones you actually see when you visit the website. So this is a sample page you can see when we looked at it from the back end. Right? And this is everything that's showing up. This is our sample page, blah, 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 So we've put in everything here, and WordPress has already gone in and put that in there for us. Now, pages you'll create, and you'll link to them. So you may have a page for contact. You may have a page where you describe your services. You may have, those pages aren't going to change all the time. So that's when you're going to end up using a page. Now, plugins actually expand your ability to do things inside of WordPress. Now, you will see that on a default installation in WordPress, you have two plugins, Akismet and the Hello Dolly. Now, the Akismet is to help block spam from appearing on your website. Notice I said help, not eliminate. Spam will always get through. That's just the nature of the beast. Now you'll see here there's instructions on how to actually sign up for an account. But you'll notice you need to activate plugins. So you can load a lot of plugins, but not actually have them enabled. If you wanted to add a new plugin, you would just click the Add New button, and it would have various stuff. And we will get into some of these in later videos. And let's talk templates. You may have noticed whenever I went over to the page, some of it was already configured, right? So let me pull up that page real quick. Let's go over there and let's open this in a new tab so I have it available. And you'll see the page was already there. Now, if, so there it is, it's ready to go. And if I change the URL, hey, look at that. This is the blog, and it's set up, and it's ready to go, and this is our first image. That image you see is part of the appearance inside of WordPress. So if we go to the themes, you will see this is part of the theme. We could click on theme details, and we could see that it's, built by the WordPress team, and it's got some tags. It's a 1-column, 2-column, right sidebar, flexible header, etc. So we could actually customize this theme from here. These are just the basics of WordPress. There are a lot of other things we're going to be discussing in this series, Small Business Website in WordPress. Now, The goal of these videos is to show you how easy it is to build your website, but you may not have time. If you have extra time while you're running your business, great. However, if you're like most people, you don't have time to do it all on your own. And having an online presence is important. So if you'd like to receive our help, or at least a free consultation, contact us in the link shown in the description to get started. This has been the Small Business Website in WordPress Getting It Started series brought to you by Synchronized Consulting. You run your business, we'll run your tech.